Hello everyone and welcome to a new crochet tutorial. Valentine's Day is just around the corner, so I was inspired to crochet these simple heart bookmarks. I absolutely love making small, whimsical projects like this one. For this bookmark, I used a small amount of YarnArt Begonia yarn. It's 100% mercerized cotton, category 2, and I worked with a hook size D, 3.25 millimeters. But another option would be mercerized cotton thread, size 3. The finished bookmark measures about 12.5 inches long, including the tassel, and about 1.5 inches wide at the widest part of the heart. These bookmarks are very easy and very quick to make. In fact, I timed myself and it took me only 9 minutes to crochet one bookmark, including making the tassel. You can also easily adapt this simple heart pattern for other small projects. For example, you can make a garland or crochet a bunch of these little hearts without the long bookmark tail to use for scrapbooking, decorating journals, or embellishing handmade cards. Personally, I love reading books, real old-fashioned books, and I especially love older ones, and I always find some interesting old book on each one of my thrift shop visits. In fact, I think at this point I'm addicted to buying old books. And when I read them, I enjoy using crochet bookmarks. I think the pink one and the red one together look especially lovely. That's how I'm going to use them, as a romantic couple. I hope you enjoy my tutorial, and I hope you too find the time and inspiration to create little joyful moments and small details that make life a little bit more colorful and special. I start with 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I join them into a ring with a slip stitch. Now I have a small ring formed. Next, 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. And now I'm going to continue crocheting into the ring, and I will also crochet over this short yarn tail so that it gets hidden under the stitches. First, I work 4 trebles into the ring, yarn over twice, insert the hook into the ring, and I make a treble. Again, yarn over twice, insert the hook into the ring, and make a treble. And I make 2 more trebles. And here I have 4 trebles worked into the ring. Now I'm going to continue crocheting double crochets. Into the ring, I work 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now I have half of the heart worked, and now I'm going to make a long tail of the bookmark. So I'm going to make 60 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here I worked 60 chains. Now into the 3rd chain from the hook, I make a slip stitch. We never count the chain on the hook. We always start counting from the next one. So 1, 2, 3. Into the 3rd chain, I make a slip stitch. And over here, I have a small chain 2 space formed. And later, I will make a tassel, inserting the hook into that small chain 2 space. Now I will simply make a slip stitch into each chain across. Here I worked a slip stitch into each chain, and now the tail of the bookmark is made. And I'm going to continue crocheting into the ring, forming the second half of the heart. And again, I will continue crocheting over this short yarn tail so it gets hidden under the stitches. Into the ring, I work 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now for trebles. Yarn over twice. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I can cut off this short yarn tail so that it doesn't get in the way anymore. Now I make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, and I make a slip stitch into the ring. And this is what I have. So now I'm gonna work one more round all the way around. Over here I have 3 chains. Into the first one I make a slip stitch. And then I have 2 chains over here, and into each one of them I make a single crochet. 1, 2. Now over here I have 4 trebles, and into each one of those 4 trebles I will work a half double crochet. Yarn over, that's 1 half double crochet, 2, 3, 4. Now over here I have 5 double crochets, and into each one of them I make a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now into the first stitch of the tail, of the bookmark tail, I make a slip stitch. And now I continue crocheting on the other side of the heart. Over here I have 5 double crochets, and into each one of them I make a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Over here I have 4 trebles, and into each one of those I make a half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Over here I have 3 chains. into the first one and the second one, I make a single crochet. And that's one. And that's two. And now into the next one, the third one, I make a slip stitch. Now I fasten off. And I pull this yarn tail really tight. And now my little heart is finished. I will use a tapestry needle to weave in the end. So on the back side of the heart, I simply make several stitches to weave in the yarn tail. And now I can cut it off. And all I need to do now is to make a tassel on this end of the bookmark. I'm going to cut 6 strands of yarn, 6 inches long. Here I have 6 strands of yarn. I fold them in half like this. And on this end, I find that little chain to loop. I insert the hook, grab this loop on the hook like this, and I pass those strands of yarn through the chain to loop, forming a loop like this. And now into that loop, I pass the ends. We missed one. Okay, now I fixed it. And I pull them tight. And that's how a tassel is formed. Now I'm going to steam the bookmark, especially the tassel, and then I will trim it.